Lift the Scorpion Pro 3 out of its box using the frame and place carefully on the floor. You can now easily wheel the rack to the tow ball on your vehicle. Lift the rack and place it on the tow ball. With one hand, keep the rear of the rack elevated during fitting. If you can't push the handle all the way down, use the red adjustment dial to the desired setting for your tow ball. Then push the handle down, locking with the keys when complete. Close the locking cover and the rack is now secure on the tow ball. Using the lighting adapter provided, attach the lights to your electric plug. Attach both ramp restraint straps. Attach the ramp holder to the rack on the opposite side to your vehicle's exhaust. One bolt per bracket using the tool provided, tighten hand tight. Hold each side of the rack into the loading position, making sure to hear a click from each side. Now move the main frame arm into the loading position by removing the locking pin and cover. Slide the frame up and remove from the upright. Place one end of the locking cable over the upright, turn the frame 90 degrees and refit to the upright. Refit the locking cover and lock with the keys provided. Fit the provided ratchet wheel restraint straps to all 3 folding feet on the rack. Release both wheel restraint straps on the first bike tray and fold under the tray. First, assemble your loading ramp by simply pushing both sections together and clip onto the end of the wheel tray. Roll your bike up the ramp, gears facing the vehicle and into position on the rack. Adjust your pedals now if needed. With the first hand holding the bike, loosen the frame holder to fit, and once around all of the frame, tighten the holder, hand tight and lock with the keys provided. Secure the front wheel by tightening both wheel restraint straps, making sure the rubber pads sit on the bike rims. To remove the ramp, simply lift up to the wheel, twist and pull towards you. Now secure the rear wheel with the remaining wheel restraint strap. The first bike is now secure. Release both wheel restraint straps on the second bike tray and fold under the tray. Attach the loading ramp. Roll your bike up the ramp. If you lean the bike towards you, it's easier to avoid handlebars. Once in position, secure using the bike frame holder. Tighten hand tight and lock with the keys provided. Secure the front wheel by tightening both wheel restraint straps, making sure the rubber pads sit on the bike rims. Remove the ramp, lift up to the wheel, twist and pull towards you. Now secure the rear wheel with the remaining wheel restraint strap. Release the wheel restraint straps on the third bike tray and fold under the tray. Attach the longer third bike frame arm and click into place. You can either use the ramp or simply lift and place the bike on the rack. Secure using the frame holder, tighten hand tight and lock when complete. Secure the front wheel again by tightening both wheel restraint straps, making sure the rubber pads sit on the bike rims. And finally secure the front wheel. Now secure the bikes using the cable lock and lock using the keys provided. Simply slide your number plate into the number plate holder and attach to the rack. Pull both parts of the ramp apart and clip them together. Fit the ramp to the holder and secure in place. To tilt the rack, simply hold the bikes with one hand and with the other pull the tilt release catch towards you. Then with both hands, gently lower the bikes to the full tilt position. You can now step behind the rack and have full easy access to the boot space. When ready, simply lift and push the bikes back towards the vehicle until the rack clicks into the lock position.